Hey, it's Holly, and today I kind of have an unboxing for you. One of my wonderful pineapple friends here from the channel contacted me in October. Her name is Jennifer, and she contacted me because she subscribes to the Jimmy Beans Wool Crochet Club. And I don't know if you've ever been to jimmybeanswool.com. It's great. They have great yarn. I love it. You should go check them out. I will link it down below. And I've got the information right here about the box. So let me get it up. And the way it works is, it is a 3-month mystery crochet along. A small one, nothing big. And it costs $15 a month. And you receive 3 to 5 samples of yarn in surprise colors to use in the 3-month mystery cal. You get a beautifully printed crochet pattern to use, a bag, and the stuff comes over 3 months. And you get 1 to 2 notions. So basically the way it works is, on the first month you will get your, the big portion, and the next 2 months you get a little bit of it, and it's a 3-month mystery. She contacted me because she had so many projects going on, she just couldn't do this one. This one was for October, November, December, so this was supposed to be open last month. I just got busy, guys, sorry. And I said, yes, I would love to do it here on the channel. I'm super excited to see what it is, and hopefully I'll love the pattern. If not, maybe we'll come up with something else. I don't know, guys. We'll see. We've got to, I love a mystery, right? So anyways, so she sent it to me, and she was so sweet to include a couple other things. First, she included this little teeny tiny box. This one was opened. The Crochet Club's not opened yet. You'll see. And this is, Jimmy Beans also has what they call, let me scroll back up to the top here, because Jimmy Beans has so many different little project clubs. This one's called the Bean Bag Project Club, which is so adorable. And basically you get everything you need to make this adorable, let me put that up there. Is it going to focus on it? Little potted cactus. Isn't that adorable, you guys? So I've got the instructions, and it came with a teeny little pot with, of course, my brown. Here's my green and yellow for the little flowers on top of the cactus. It comes with stuffing, and it even came with an adorable little, I don't know if that's going to show up, little ladybug sticker to put on my cactus when I finish. So that is super cute. That is a knitted project though. The Beanbag Club is knitted, so you have to know to knit there. But they have so many great clubs. You should definitely go check them out. She sent one other thing, and she was such a dear. She already put it into a cake for me. She sent me a skein of yarn from Gnome Acres, which is so funny. Gnome Acres, and it says gnome made and nerd flavored. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Let's see if I can get the tag. Come on, tag, focus for me here. I know the lighting is crazy tonight. There we go. Gnome Acres. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. It says no place like gnome. It is a fingering sock yarn, 460 yards. The yarn base is house gnome. I'm wondering if that's the color. Maybe. Okay, so it's a 75-25, so 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. And I believe the color is house gnome. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. It even gives you a born on date. This yarn was born February 21st of 2018. So, so cute. And it is adorable. It's more of a, it's kind of rainbowed, but more of like a muddy rainbow. Does that make sense, guys? There we go. Isn't that really pretty? I have no idea what I'm going to make with this, but it is so cute. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Jennifer. You were so sweet to send that to me. I love it. Okay, guys. Now, on to what the video is here for, which is, let me make sure there's no information. There is on the bottom. This is it. This is how it comes. This is the first month. I don't know if the second month is going to come in a smaller package. I don't know. But I guess we're going to go ahead and try to open this. Had to pause there for a thumbnail. So, handy dandy opener. I just cut the tape. And I'm going to open it. Wait. It smells nice. Oh, okay. So see here, guys. You see? There's a bag in there. And I'm going to pull the bag out. Okay. And in the bottom is a little book. little book. I don't know if this is where my pattern is or not. Let's see, is it gonna focus on it? There we go. Let me open it up and see. Nope, this is like a catalog, which is totally cool. But, and so here it is. Here's the bag. So cute. It says Jimmy Bean's Crochet Project Club 2018. It says Yarn Monster, a creature that sneaks into your yarn stash and tangles all your skeins. Oh my goodness. Do you see that, guys, down there? That is so funny. I call that a kid because, oh, ooh, this is some interesting looking yarn. It's by Sugar Bush, and it's called Canoe. That must be the base. And here they are, you guys. Let me get this one up close. Isn't that interesting? And then let's get this guy. That's crazy, isn't it? Okay, so let's see if we can get a name on the yellow. The yellow is Sunset. Pretty. And the brown is Birch. Wow. This is really cool. Let's see what it's made of, you guys. It's a number 5 bulky. It is 61% wool, 26% alpaca, and 13% polyamide. I can feel the alpaca in it. So it's really, man, can you guys see the like crazy way this yarn is made here? And how it's got like little flecks of color coming through. It's crazy. That is so crazy. And let me show you the tag. It is from Sugar Bush, and it's their Canoe. Love it. And then, oh, here we go. Some stuff inside. So first, there's a little hi. Okay, it says hi. Just a quick note, the pattern we are sending does not include instructions for color changing. We have found that you can average 2 full cables per ball of yarn or 2 rows. Oh, okay, so it's a little like, oh, you guys, look at the little Jimmy Beans button. Oh my goodness, can you see it? I can't wait to put that on my project bag. You know I love enamel pins, you guys. Ooh, and what is this? Modern care for hands and love. Hands you love. I can't read. So it's a little Jimmy Beans hand lotion. Let's see if we can get that to focus. Focus, camera. My camera's being lazy. Plus, this is ridiculously shiny, so I don't think it's going to focus. But a cute little thing of hand. And then we are making the Canoe Hooded Cowl. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, okay. For starters, look at these gorgeous colors that this canoe, or this Sugar Bush Canoe comes in. I am loving it, right? Love, love, love. Oh, I love it. And let's see. So the pattern here, let me show you. I don't want to give you the written instructions because that's not very nice. But there it is. It's like a hooded cowl, which is not really my kind of thing. I don't wear hats usually, guys. I want to be a hat person. I really, really do, but I'm not. But it's gorgeous, and it would make a wonderful, wonderful Christmas present. And it says, so it gives you the directions. So it gives you all the information of the stitches. And then back here, it literally gives you 3 rows of instructions. And then it says, stay excited. There's more to come next month. So I'm pretty excited about this. I do love this, and I really do love these yarns, right? This gorgeous yellow and the brown, killing it. I absolutely love it. And this was designed by Mikey from the Crochet Crowd. I don't know if you guys know him, but he designed this pattern and came up with everything. So I'm pretty excited to see what we're going to get next month, but I'm pretty in love with what we got this month. Look at that. So I think I am going to go ahead and try to make this beautiful Canoe Hooded Cowl. Oh man, so pretty. It looks like we might need buttons. I wonder if I'll get buttons later. So, so cute. And it's got all the information I need. I absolutely love it, you guys. And for $15, this is already just amazing. You got these 2 skeins, the adorable little bag. the hand lotion, and the Jimmy Beans wool enamel pin. I love it. I'm going to slide this all in the box. I will keep you guys updated on my progress. I'm going to put this on my bag like right away, you guys. I'm so excited. So super excited. Thank you so much again to Jennifer for offering for me to do this month's crochet along. I absolutely love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys go check out Jimmy Beans wool and think about doing one of their clothes. I mean, 15 bucks a month is not that bad, and you get like a good deal. So it is fun. It's a mystery cal. Who doesn't love a mystery cal? We should do one here on the channel, shouldn't we? Totally. I'm gonna work on that, guys. But I gotta get out of here because it's late and I'm tired. So bye.